Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be very helpful to you guys because I am going to be making a video on girls must have. I've been thinking about this video for a very long time and finally I am going to be filming it. So recently I went on a trip and I did post a lot of pictures and videos and get ready with me. और मैंने ना बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा halter neck and also थोड़ा deep neck वाला कपड़ा पहना था क्योंकि it was a beach vacation. So yeah, I wore that kind of tops and a lot of you guys were asking कि it looks gorgeous, it looks amazing, but what to wear under this kind of top. So that made me realize कि मैंने कभी ऐसा वीडियो बनाया ही नहीं है कि ये टॉप के अंदर में क्या पहनना है ऐसा टाइप का. So this video is going to be girls must have. I'm going to be like making this video very फटाफट से. Also I have very simple products जो आपको easily मिल जाएगा Amazon में. So I'll be linking everything in my description box also, so you guys can go and check it out. Okay, so I'm wearing this very beautiful set top which is in brown color as you guys can see. Now you guys may be wondering कि गोम ने क्या पहना है इसके अंदर because we can't see her bra straps. So let me tell you all that I am wearing nipple pasties. I got this nipple pasties from Amazon. It was set of 4, so there will be total of 8, but it was set of 4. तो मैंने already एक लगा रखा है. It comes in ऐसा shape and the quality is amazing guys. Like the price was so good. If I remember it was for 200 something rupees. बहुत महंगा nipple pasties भी आता है, but I got this one because there were 4 pairs or it is like reusable, right? So I got this one. It looks really good. It has this cute flower shape. Shapes doesn't matter, but yeah, I wanted to get this one. I found it affordable, so I got it. Now let me just try it and show you all. So ये ऐसा निकलेगा and then you have to put it on like this. As you guys can see कि ये easily निकल भी रहा है और easily stick भी हो रहा है और ये नीचे आ भी नहीं रहा है. और ना ये पैकेट मत फेंकना क्योंकि later you have to paste it here like this and save it for later. So this is the first thing which I feel like girls must have because it is very easy to use and it's reusable और बहुत affordable है और ना ऐसा गर्मी में भी इतना चिप ऐसा feeling नहीं आता है. So you guys can definitely go and check it out. This is worth your money. This is worth your money and this is only for 280 something, so you guys can just go and check it out. You have 4 pairs here, so that's amazing. Okay, so here's the next one, and again I feel like this one is something very important for all the girls out there, and it is lift up pad. You guys may be wondering ki what is lift up pad now, but it looks like this. I'm sure you guys have seen it pehle na. So I have it in like 2 different quality. This is thoda sa kapra wala. इस साइड में तो पूरा ऐसा सिलिकॉन है, but this one is थोड़ा कपड़ा. And if you guys will see closely ना तो आपको यहाँ देखिएगा कि ये पूरा एंड तक ऐसा सिलिकॉन नहीं है. So जब ये स्टिक होता है ये अच्छे से तो होता है, but it feels like थोड़ा सा ऐसा रह गया टाइप का ना, तो it doesn't feel that good. I don't know whether I'm able to like explain it properly or not, but I hope you guys are getting it. Suppose if I am putting it like this ना, आपको ऐसा कॉर्नर में देखिएगा कि ये थोड़ा सा निकल के बैठा है, which one doesn't feel so comfortable. और ये मैंने पहना था when I went on a girls date with my friend and you guys can see it looks amazing, right? But ना ये थोड़ा सा मेरे को uncomfortable लगा, तो that's the reason I got another one. And here I have the silicone one which I feel like it's amazing because अगर आप इसका border line देखो ना तो ये पूरा इसमें पूरा glue है, so it sticks really nicely. And it looks like this. As you guys can see ये पूरे अच्छे से stick हो गया है. If you feel like your breast is sagging, so you guys can go and check out this one क्योंकि this is amazing and it will give you an amazing lift. So yeah, अगर आपने ये सब products कभी try नहीं किया है then I think it's high time to give a try क्योंकि ना ऐसा halter neck top हो गया या अगर backless top हो गया वो सब के लिए you can wear this one and it gives you an amazing lift and it looks so good. So definitely go and check it out. I'll link it for you guys. So moving on to my next one. This is the product I've been seeing all over internet. You guys may be wondering what is this. Let me show you all. I have been seeing this product since like 2 years to be very honest, but मैंने कभी order नहीं किया था. And ये भी मैंने ना order नहीं किया है, मेरा दोस्त ने मेरे को gift किया है. Gift भी नहीं, my friend just gave me because she got like extra of this. So it looks like this. It's double-sided tape and you guys can see, right, my top is little like loose on me. It fits me amazingly on this part, but ये part में ना मेरे को थोड़ा सा ऐसा loose हो रहा है. So let's try this on together. ये बहुत ज़्यादा इजी है यूज़ करने के लिए. यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक वन ऑफ दिस एंड आपको ये ना दोनों साइड से निकालना है. So it comes off like this and you have this. So you have to put it on your skin, and now that it's on your skin you have to put it like this and it's done, guys. देखिए, it won't come off now. So it looks like this and it is a very helpful one, but it took a lot of time because I don't know, I couldn't open it. So yeah, it looks like this. What you guys think, to let me know. Now you guys can clearly see the difference. ये जो है ये थोड़ा सा loose लग रहा है. As you guys can see, right, this is tight but this is thoda sa loose. So that's the difference, guys. So you guys can just go and check out this tape. I will link it in my description box for you all. Okay, so moving on to my next one. This is again one of my favorite one. I'm sure you guys have seen me wearing this so many times. मैंने ये बहुत बारी दिखाया है. I've been wearing this since कब से now, since a very long time now, and it looks like this. This is a cami top. I have in like different colors, like in white color, in black color and in grey color. मैंने ऐसे colors में इसलिए लिया है क्योंकि it's very basic and you can style this in so many ways. Like अलग type of cami tops are also good, but I would highly recommend you all to go for the seamless one क्योंकि it gives you as a seamless वाला look. I have it in different colors because it's really one of the best thing I own, and I'm sure you guys have seen me wearing it so many times. मैंने आप लोगों को बहुत बारी दिखाया है. अगर मेरे को पता नहीं चलती कि what kind of bra to wear under what top, then I go with my cami tops and it's amazing. The price will be around 400 something, but I'll say that it's worth it because it will last you so long and you can style it in so many ways. अगर आप ऐसे ही पहनना चाहते हो तो आप ऐसे ही पहन सकते हो. अगर आप oversized t-shirt के अंदर में if you want seamless look like I do, so you guys can wear it as a way maybe. So it's amazing, and if you don't own any of this and you're looking out for one now, then I would highly recommend you all to go for like neutral colors like beige हो गया, grey हो गया, white हो गया, black हो गया. Black you can keep थोड़ा last में, but you can go for like beige and white ऐसा, because outfit के अंदर में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. जैसे कि हो गया white color का oversized t-shirt, उसमें थोड़ा color दिखता है ना, अगर थोड़ा सा see through है तो, so you guys can go for like ऐसा neutral colors. And there are two sizes available. One will be little shorter and one will be longer like this. This one I wear it under my oversized t-shirt जिसमें मेरे को थोड़ा seamless look चाहिए. Like my white oversized t-shirt is little see through, so I like to wear ऐसा जो full length में है and in grey color like that. अगर मैं black पहनती हूँ तो बहुत ऐसा दिखता है, so I don't like that. So that's the reason I'm saying कि go for white color या beige color ऐसा ना, ताकि हर outfit के साथ अच्छा लगे. And there are two sizes available, right? So this is the first one which is in full length, and another one होगा थोड़ा short में, जो मैंने दो रखा है. So you guys can wear that अगर आप ऐसा crop top पहन रहे and you want the seamless look, नहीं तो you can just go for this one, and it's amazing. And I feel like you should own both of those. Like you can go for one short one and one long one, and trust me, it's like such a good one. So definitely go and check it out. So moving on to my last one, and again this one is very important. And मैंने ये वीडियो में जो भी दिखाया है सब कुछ ही बहुत ज़्यादा important है क्योंकि it is 5 must have. And the last one is a tights, guys, but it is not the regular tights, it is seamless tights. If you're wearing regular tights, I think you should switch to seamless one क्योंकि it is a game changer. Recently I went ऐसा Amazon shoot में ना, तब मैंने मेरा ऐसा पूरा normal tights try किया था, but कुछ भी मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था क्योंकि I was wearing one white color का trouser which was little see through और कुछ भी सही नहीं लग रहा था. If I was wearing like the regular tights in nude color ना, वो भी बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. That's why I switched to seamless one, and trust me, it is a game changer. So you guys should definitely think about investing one in as a seamless one. And it's not that expensive also. I think it will be around 300 400 ऐसा, and this will last you so long. So you guys should definitely go and check this out. The best about seamless products are they are very lightweight और किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि you have wore something inside that. Like ऐसे देखने में होते हैं ना कि if you wear regular one तो directly पता चल जाता है कि कुछ तो पहना है because पूरा उसको shape दिखता है. If you're looking for a tights, then I would highly recommend you all to go for a nude one and seamless one. And I'll be linking everything in my description box so you guys can go and check it out. And yeah, with that we are done with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also comment this emoji ताकि मेरे को पता चले कि you guys made it till here. And I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Bye.